are watching Backspace.
In the heart of alphabet land, where every letter had its own unique personality and charm, lived Bella, the bright, bold, and brave letter B. Bella was not just any letter. She was known for her bouncy attitude, her love for bananas, and her big heart. Her home was a cozy blue bungalow nested between the breezy hills and the bubbling brook. One beautiful morning, Bella decided it was time for a new adventure. She packed her backpack with essentials: a banana, a bottle of water, a blanket, and a favorite book. With a big smile on her face, she set off down the broad avenue, excited to see where the day would take her. As she walked, she noticed the bright sun shining down, casting beams of light that made the bamboo trees sway gently in the breeze. Bella hummed a bouncy tune, her boots tapping rhythmically on the bricks beneath her. Not far from her home, Bella came across a bubbling brook. The water sparkled as it bounced over the boulders, creating a melody that was both soothing and brilliant. Sitting by the edge of the water was Benny the beaver, who was busy building a bridge out of branches. "Hello, Benny!" Bella called out, waving her hand. "Hi, Bella!" Benny replied with a broad grin. "I'm building a bridge to help the birds cross the brook safely." "That sounds brilliant!" Bella exclaimed. "Can I help?" "Of course," Benny said. "We can use these big bamboo poles and these bouncy balls to make the bridge sturdy." Together they worked briskly, laughing and chatting as they built the bridge. The birds soon began to use it, chirping brightly as they flew overhead. After their hard work, Bella and Benny decided to take a break. They sat under a broad bamboo tree and shared the banana Bella had packed. As they ate, Benny mentioned, "I heard there's going to be a birthday party at the big barn near the breezy hills." "A birthday party?" Bella asked, her eyes brightening. "That sounds brilliant. Let's go." They made their way to the barn where they were greeted by the bunny who was hosting the birthday bash. The barn was decorated with balloons, banners, and a big birthday cake in the shape of a bunny. "Welcome, Bella and Benny," Bunny said, giving them each a big hug. "I'm so glad you could make it." The party was filled with bouncing games, baking contests, and balloon animals. Bella and Benny had a wonderful time making new friends and enjoying the festivities. As the sun began to set, Bella and Benny decided to head home. On their way, they heard a faint barking sound coming from the bushes. "Do you hear that?" Bella asked, her ears perking up. "Yes," Benny said. "It sounds like a bark. Let's check it out." They followed the sound and found a baby bear stuck in a bush. The poor little bear was bawling, unable to free itself. "We need to help," Bella said, her voice brave and bold. Together, Bella and Benny carefully untangled the bushes, freeing the baby bear. The little bear looked up at them with big brown eyes, and beamed a big smile. Thank you, the baby bear said. I am Bruno, and I was bored and wandered off too far. You're welcome, Bruno, Bella said, giving him a big hug. It's important to stay close to home. As they continued their journey home, Bella thought about the day's events. She had helped build a bridge, attended a birthday party, and rescued a baby bear. It has been a busy, brilliant day. I think it's time to head home, Bella said, but I feel like there's more I can do. Penny nodded. There's always more to do, Bella. You're always brave and bold, and you make big differences wherever you go. Bella smiled, feeling proud of her brave actions. She knew that no matter where her adventures took her, she would always be ready to help and make the world a better place. You can also find our Jungle Learning series of 5 books, Summer Activity Book for Kids, Phonics worksheets for treasure hunt, and much more only on Gumroad. So don't forget to check out the description box below. And hey, don't forget to visit Mac Colors. It's our online store packed with colorful clothes, fun accessories, cool stuff your kids will love.
Adorable t-shirts, stylish hoodies, and cozy baby one-pieces. Welcome to Mac Colors, where creativity meets color. Mac Colors is a vibrant shop filled with personality and playful charm, offering a colorful collection of customizable products for kids, teens, and the young at heart. From beautiful decorative cushions to fun and functional kids stationery, we've got you covered. Whether you're on the hunt for a superhero wall clock to brighten your son's bedroom, a cool drawstring bag, festive Easter shower curtains, or a quirky baseball cap for your geeky friend, there's something unique for everyone and every occasion. Mac Colors, where imagination comes to life in every product. Visit our store now on Redbubble and discover your next favorite find.
Hey kids, are you ready for the most exciting summer ever? Introducing the Summer Fun Activity Book packed with games, puzzles, coloring pages, and brain boosting fun for kids aged 5 to 10. Whether you're at home, traveling, or just chilling in the backyard, this book is perfect buddy for screen-free summer. Learn, play, and explore with activities that boost creativity, sharpen thinking, and keep boredom away. Parents love it. Kids can't get enough of it. So grab your copy of the Summer Fun Activity Book today and make this vacation the best one yet.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Bye bye.